Friends, a warm welcome to Family Recipe Girl. Today let's learn how to make Dudi Thepla, which is a Gujarati dish. So let's quickly check out the ingredients for that. I have about 2.5 cups of wheat flour, 200 grams of dudi or lauki. I have grated it and squeezed the water and kept it. Here is the excess water that I got from squeezing it. We'll keep this aside. While mixing the dough, the dudi itself releases a lot of water after adding salt, so it will be sufficient to mix the flour and make the dough. But in case we need more water, we will add this dudi extract. I have about 1 teaspoon of crushed omam or ajwain, 1 tablespoon of ginger smashed, and 2 green chilies. These are spicy variety. Some coriander leaves. This is optional, you can skip it. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal. We are already using green chilies, so this is just for the color. Half teaspoon of haldi, salt to taste, and 2 pinches of hing. Coconut oil just to add to the dough while making it, and ghee for frying the parathas. This is a very healthy paratha. It can be had with green chili pickle or any pickles or dahi or any aloo dish, any side dish. It goes very well with any of these. And remember, you can add dahi, but if you add dahi, it will become very soft dough, and since dudi already releases a lot of water, I am not going to add dahi. Just mixing it along with the water extracted from lauki. Let's not waste this water, it's very healthy. Now let me make the dough by mixing all of these ingredients together, just like our methi thepla. Everything is put together in the mixing bowl. Now I'm going to make a dough out of it with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any oil you like and make a nice dough. My dough is all done and ready. This is a little firm dough, and you don't need to stand it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes like our normal chapati or roti. This can be made into parathas. Now let's make theplas out of it. I made balls out of the dough and rolled it to this thick. You can keep it however thick or thin you want. I have rolled it into this thin. My tawa is already hot, so I have put the thepla on it. Let's wait for all this to dry out. Only then we'll add ghee or oil or butter, whichever you like. Let's first roast them on both the sides without oil. You can see that it's almost dry. Now I'll flip it over and roast the other side. We can apply ghee on this side. When spots like this appear, we can flip them over again. I apply ghee on this side also. Now this is the basic recipe. You could further add chaat masala or pepper powder or garam masala or jeera dhania, whichever you like. You can always develop the recipes according to your taste buds. When you see spots like this, flip it over. And when you see brown spots like this, they are done. Now let the underside also get cooked. Let's transfer this to a serving plate. Our lauki thepla is all done and ready to be served. Lauki is a vegetable which is high in water content. It's a rich source of vitamin C and calcium. It helps in maintaining healthy heart and lowers bad cholesterol. The juice of lauki is beneficial for diabetic patients as it stabilizes blood sugar and it maintains the BP also. It's a dieter's delight and Weight Watchers love to consume this in good quantity. It has a very cooling effect on the body and it's suitable for summers. Lauki thepla is now ready to be served with some bhuna jeera dahi. I have just added salt and bhuna jeera powder to it, some raw salad, fruits, green chili pickle, the details of which is given in the description box below. And for that sweet tooth craving, we have this Tutti Frutti Karachi biscuit. Again, the details are given in the description box below. Thanks for watching the video. Do love, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such beautiful recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon